Hi everyone, let's start our market analysis for 12th June for tomorrow. First, let's go back to Friday's market and see what happened on Friday. Friday, most of the sectors were negative. For me, it was expected, and I have already mentioned, in my previous videos Thursday, Friday, that as soon as the market goes up, profit booking will start, and same thing happened. Uh, it went up and profit booking was aggressive. Market came down and by closing like at 3 o'clock, Bank Nifty was down. It was going up and down. You can see the volatility there, panic selling, etc. So now, as I have mentioned earlier, we have to be cautious. Whenever it goes up, even this week, coming week, before US Federal Reserve policy, it may come down. Booking will happen anytime. So those who are playing, with options and all, expect that when it goes up, you can expect a down move and accordingly fix your positions. No long positions until Federal Reserve policy. What is going to happen? We have no idea because US governors they speak here and there, hawkish, dovish, etc. So unless and until the policy comes, better take care. The major event, for or events for next week, U.S. policy, of course, that is first priority. Then after, I don't know, so far analysts are not discussing, but for me, I'm afraid that something will happen between Russia and Ukraine. Some medias they were highlighting that Russia is preparing their nuclear weapons. We have no idea because once NATO and other, US and NATO, they are supporting Ukraine, and Russians could not control completely the war. And I think their situation is also pathetic and they are losing money. Oil issue, business ban, etc. So, desperately, if they do something, then that will be disaster. So, such kind of catastrophic events will destroy everything. All the markets. We have no idea what will happen to the market. Then crash comes. Oh, market will come back later. But I'm saying we have to pay attention to these kinds of small details. Situation is not in favor of markets condition. It's really volatile in that sense. So these are the major things and the stocks that we have to know. We have to watch on Monday. See, even Friday, most of the sectors were negative. Bank, realty, infra, etc. All there are only 2-3 sectors were positive. Defense stocks, Hindustan Aeronautics, Mazagon Dock, etc. were flying. Especially Hindustan Aeronautics, it jumped from 2,900 to 3,700, almost 3,800 levels. So it is completely a news-driven jump. So those who hedge properly and take a position future, they can make some money. I'm not going to tell you what you have to do. You see the moment it reached top level, it may go up little bit, but profit booking definitely will be here and there. So you take a position, but hedge. If you take August, if you sell August and July or June, you can buy or in option. So it is a good idea because the momentum is very strong there. And if a bad news like US Federal Reserve policy or Russian war or any other things will bring the market down, all these stocks, all those are at 52 weeks high. First attack will be on these stocks. Um, what else? IEX and Zomato. Zomato, I think a lot of people they made money because it jumped from 45 level to now 79. Even I had some stock I sold at 60s. I didn't hold after because when I bought the Zomato, I didn't take IPO, but when I bought from the market, it was more than 65 70 rupees, then I had to buy again, when I heard the news that it is going to come up strongly. Then once I got profit, I just exited. But now, I don't know, brokers and all recommending Zomato. It already reached 79 80 levels, so now we have to take care. IEX, another one. I'm also holding it, and it was actually at loss. Now it is increasing day by day because of the new power exchange couplings also from government. It is not clear so far, but it is not advisable now to take new position on IEX. We don't know, it will drop again. It will go to 100, 105 levels, or will recover with some positive news. No idea, but it will be away. Maybe we can, if we are holding for a long time, like me, better to exit and choose something that we can get money immediately on another stock. What else now? So these stocks, pay attention. Hindustan HAL, Mazagon Dock, Zomato, etc. Defense companies. What else now? So let's go back to let's come to Nifty levels for tomorrow. Nifty is not a narrow CPR level tomorrow. Nifty CPR is 18,598, 18,615, and down 18,700. Sorry, 18,580. So expecting sideways, not a trending market, and if it goes up, profit booking will start and it will consolidate. This is what I expect. Nifty support 18,552, then 18,523, then strong support at 18,477. Resistance first at 18,644, second 18,673, and third resistance at 18,790. Bank Nifty is same, CPR is not very narrow, so expecting a sideways movement. CPR 44,047, 44,018, 44,076. Support at 43,937 for support. There is chance it may go down and take second support 43,869 or 43,759. Resistance at 44,157, second 44,224, third 44,334. So this resistance, definitely these are strong resistance. Once it reaches here, definitely there will be profit booking. You can see. So if it consolidates or if it goes down, like 43,700, it can come even below. See, it is like a market, nobody can predict. It's news driven and based on the situation. Tomorrow, if it goes below 43,700, it can reach 43,500. 43,500 or 400 is support for maybe 2-3 days until market settles down. So that's it. And for options, I will be making a video. It is not like other option videos. I will share my experience. We have to be very cautious while we are doing option trading or even taking position on future, and how to hedge it, how to protect our capital. Uh, as others say or experts say, 95% or more they lose money on options and options trading mainly, even future. So how can we protect and take trade, without losing our capital, and uh, how we can make a minimum profit from options and future. It will be a long video. I was just listening my videos. The audio is not very clear. So when I fix this issue, I want to make it clear because it is a long video. It is not like short daily analysis. Then I will publish it. So that's it for today. Thank you. Wishing you all success